The situation in Iran is very, very good, with high ambition, with high level of spirituality. The people gather together and they support the government, they support the military guard, they support their leaders, their commanders, their generals, and day and night they are in the street, on the raining, on the snow, and they are chanting and asking retaliation.
Sir, there are reports that Kurdish people,
Yes,
in the eastern side of western side of the Iran,
yes,
they are entering into the war against the regime, Iranian regime.
yes. Actually, it's not Iranian regime; it's government.
Yes.
Yes, as you know, they are not Iranian Kurdish. Yes. Do you know Zionist regime and United States, they wanted to attack Iran, but by air attacking, they cannot achieve anything. Just only they can damage and demolish the cities and killing innocent people. But if you want to occupy any land, you have to use the land. So they supported some people, they paid to them, they gathered them, and they enriched them. They provided them by the very, very, very newest weapons, and they wanted them to attack Iran and occupy some part of Iran. But unfortunately, they couldn't do anything, and they were attacked by Iranian guards.
President Trump says that till Iran surrenders, we will not talk to Iranian leadership. What do you want to say about it?
Please, I don't know. They want Iran to submit himself unconditionally, without anything, just only provide their land, Iran, to be divided to 5 countries. And also, he wants Iran to submit himself, mines, fuel, wealth, and everything to United States. And after that, he say, we will provide you. If we provide our dignity to you, there is nothing. So we defend ourselves, we defend our independence, we defend our dignity, and we don't allow anyone to attack us again.
Why Iran is spreading the war to the Gulf countries, other parts of Azerbaijan also you attack?
Actually, Azerbaijan never be attacked. This is from Zionist regime. They wanted to bring more difficulties in the regime. This is the first. And Iran, even the president of Iran, and also a lot of officials and Ministry of Foreign Affairs, our Minister of Foreign Affairs, he denied attacking to Azerbaijan. This is one. And the second thing, Iran never created war in the region. Is the United States of America, but it's not even United States of America. Mr. Trump created this war, initiated this war together with Israel for 2 reasons. The one, because based on the statement of Trump, is the first is Israel. The first is not the people of America. And the second thing, they had a lot of problems with President Trump and Bibi. They wanted to hide their problems, and they wanted to cover it, and they paid the attention of the wars to new war.
Okay. This mother is waiting for a long time. Please, yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, I'm the independent. Sir, US has said that it will not engage in diplomacy with Iran at all. How do you see war going from here on for Iranians and the region, the Middle Eastern region?
Actually, never we wanted to have war in the region. And we tried as much as possible to be avoided from the war, because we know that the war and conflict never brings peace and justice in the society and in the world. We didn't want war. Even we provided a lot of things to the United States, and we said, okay, we are ready for that one. But we are not selling our dignity. We are not selling our independence. So we were in the table of negotiation, But unfortunately, while we were negotiating with them, they attacked Iran. We didn't initiate this war. This war was initiated by United States, not the United States, by Trump and by Bibi. They have to stop it. And if any other country wants this war to be stopped, they have to go to the sides which they started this war.
Right. Why do you think President Trump attacked Iran? He has given various reasons. Why do you think, why they have gone up?
Yes, of course, it's clear. There are a lot of reasons for that. But one reason I want to mention it. Please, every goods has expired date, including weapons. Weapons has expired dates, and it will spoil. And they have to replace it by new one. And maintaining these weapons are extremely costly. What they have to do, they have to sell this one to some countries. Then the factories, they have to make new weapons. And as you know, the largest economic in the world is weapons. So one of them is present. They want to create the new war, and they want to use and sell their old weapons because the date is expired. They have to initiate and make new one. So they have to create war to sell their weapons. And when the war starts, by the honor of the factory, weapons factories, so they will sell it, and you will see the $1 billion agreement will exist.
Could you very straight up say, does Iran have any sort of atomic or nuclear weapons? For the readers, we know the stance.
Yes, actually, according to our religion, Islam, and according to the statement of Ayatollah Khamenei, which we call it fatwa, having nuclear weapons is haram and is forbidden for Iran. And Iran, since 3 decades ago, announced that we are not looking for nuclear weapons.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Iran clearly said that.
I'm so sorry, my
Oh, it's okay, yes.
Was an issue.
Yes. From 3 decades ago, Iran announced that we don't want nuclear weapons because it's not useful for us. We are not looking for that. And just only we want nuclear energy for peaceful activities, like for our medicals, for our hospitals, and for our electricity and power. So we announced never we wanted to have. Until now, we don't have it. And I think the people who are questioning Iran, they have to go directly to Zionist regime and they ask him, how many nuclear weapons do you have it? They, according to the reports, they have more than 450 nuclear weapons, and they can damage by half of this whole the world. Why they are not asking the Zionist regime?
Right. And Iran has also been accused of for destabilizing the Middle Eastern region by attacking air bases, US air bases in the region, in Bahrain, in Saudi Arabia. Could you respond to that?
Actually, Iran never wanted to attack our neighbors, but Iran is defending himself. Iran defends itself, and by defending itself, it has to attack the American bases. Iran is not attacking their neighbors like Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain. We had long-term relationship with them, and our cultural, our religion, our civilization is the same, but they provided the basis for America, and United America, used this basis for attacking us. I'm asking you, if you are in your house and just some people attacking you from some place, what do? Do you keep quiet and do you be silent and not do nothing? Okay, we cannot attack United States because it's more than 6,000 miles far from Iran. We have to attack the American bases, and American bases is belong to America, is not belong to our neighbors.
Right. What about any?
Okay.
Yes.
So could you? I just wanted to ask that what is how do you respond to India's lack of response and Prime Minister's lack of direct condemnation to the attacks?
Particularly, I'm supplementing the question. The Iranian
Yes.
Navy's frigate was sink in the Indian waters, but the Indian government did not register its displeasure with the America.
Yes. Actually, we had and we have till now very good relationship with India, and whether in the people and the government, and it's very tight. During the last decades, our relationship is increased, and we hope that also we will continue our relationship, our friendship, and never any other countries can break these relationships and friendship. And even Ayatollah Khamenei, all the times I heard from him several times, he was insisting in establishing very, very tight and good relationship with India. Even he advised the Iranian government that you have to, the India is your priority, and you have to establish your relationship with Iran tightly, and you make it be wider and in different fields, in economic, in politics, in everything. And also we are thankful for the India also last 2-3 months ago also supported Iran in the Human Rights Council in United Nations. Yes.